to my YouTube channel, Flawless by Laura IOM. Today I'm going to be talking about the benefits of lip scrubbing and making your own DIY lip scrub at home. What are the benefits of lip scrubbing? Lip scrubbing is amazing at removing dead skin cells on the surface of the lips. It's also great at preventing cracking and chapping and keeping your lips moist and hydrated, and also helping your lips to retain the moisture and the hydration for longer. For this reason, lip scrubbing is a perfect self-care routine for anyone, male or female, at keeping your lips comfortable, soft and smooth. Lip scrubbing helps to create an even surface on the lips. This means that your lip balm will be able to penetrate the skin on the lips better and keep your lips hydrated. Also, the lip balm product will go over your lips much smoother as the skin surface is even. For lip gloss, the product will adhere or stick to your lips better after lip scrubbing. And of course, if you're one of the people out there that love lipstick, like myself, lip scrubbing is amazing at allowing both lipstick and lip liner to adhere to the lips, so that your lipstick, and particularly very brightly coloured lipsticks and lip liner, will last much longer on the lips. The most exciting thing about lip scrubbing, in my opinion, is you can actually do it without having to buy any product. Right now you have things in your house which you can use that do the job perfectly. Lip scrubs contain two main ingredients: an emollient to provide moisture and an exfoliant to scrub and remove the dead cells. And in the home there are things you can use to do this. As my exfoliant, I'm going to use table salt. For my emollient, I'm just going to use olive oil from the cupboard. Essentially, you can use sugar or salt as your exfoliant and any oil that you have in the house. The other things that you will also need are hot water from the tap, cotton, and finish off the routine with your favourite hydrating lip balm. Remember guys, lip scrubbing is for everyone. Brilliant. So I'm going to take you through my lip scrubbing routine. Let's go. Step 1. Remove any product from your lips. Here I am going to use micellar water to remove some nude lipstick I had on my lips. It's important to have a blank canvas when lip scrubbing. Step 2. Take a cotton pad and wet it with warm water. Make sure that the cotton pad is fully saturated with water. Step 3. Put oil all over the cotton pad. Here I'm using baby oil. Step 4. Put salt all over the cotton pad, particularly in the middle. Step 5. Now is game time. Gently scrub your lips all over, but for no more than 30 seconds. Use really gentle circular motions to scrub the whole surface of both the top and bottom lip. Feel free to scrub around your lips as well as in around your mouth and also the corners of your mouth. Step 6. Pat your lips dry after rinsing. Step 7. Finish the process with your favourite moisturising lip balm. Here I'm using Nuke's lip balm to moisturise my lips. Hi guys! So I've just scrubbed my lips using baby oil, salt from the kitchen, a hot water and a cotton. And I feel like the circulation has really returned to my lips. And my lips feel so smooth, nourished, soft, and like a new layer of skin has been revealed. All of the chapped lips that I had on my bottom lip are gone. It's all gone now within a scrub for less than 30 seconds. So lip care is for everyone, something really easy to do, and particularly if you're suffering this winter with dry skin on your lips, whether you're male or female, then it's something you can do to get it off. Honestly, my lips feel massive right now. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give me a like and also subscribe to my channel if you are interested in all things makeup, beauty and self-care. You can find me on Instagram and Facebook, all by the same name, Flawless by Laura IOM. Till next time guys!